All right, everybody. Here you have your core bites number 71. And the first one says, how many groups of 6 are in 72? So if you're trying to find equal groups, you're going to have to divide 72 by 6 to get your answer. So you're going to do 12, You're going to do 72 divided by 6 equals. So you're going to have to divide it. So you pick whichever way you want to do it. I'm going to do it this way. So 72 divided by 6. I'm going to do the traditional algorithm. So how many times will 6 go into 7 without being too many? So we know 1 because 6 times 1 is 6. Subtract 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down your 2. So I know 6 times 2 gives us 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So it's looking like our answer is 12. But let's double check. So if you want to double check it, all you do is multiply 12 times 6 and see if you get 72. So 12 times 6, 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is 72. That is correct. So that means 12 is your answer. For number 2, you need to find the product of each of these numbers. You're going to have to multiply. So we've got 72 times 35. So that means they are 2-digit times 2-digit. So we have 72 times 35 is your first one. So be very careful because this is 2-digit times 2-digit. So 5 times 2 is 10. Regroup. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 1 would be 36. Then you've got to hold that place because you're done with your ones on that side. So I'm going to switch colors for you. So now you're going to do 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. Then you're going to add it together. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. Regroup. 3, 4, 5, and 2. So your first answer is 2,520 for this one right here. So 2,520. So now you've got to do your other problem. We've got to do 89 times 40. So the good thing about the 40 is if you wanted to, I'm going to show you a trick. You can do it this way or you can do it the traditional way. But because you have a 0, you can actually let the 0 hang off the edge and just go ahead and bring the 0 down. And then you can just multiply your other numbers to get your answer. So 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 8 is 32 plus 3 would be 35. So your answer would be 3,560. 3,560. Okay? So that's how you do that. For your number 3, you have some fractions. Write the number to complete the pattern of equivalent fractions. So here we've got 2/3, 4/6, 6/9, 8 somethings, and then 10/15. So each time you're going up by 3. So your next sequence number would be 12. So 8/12. And then if you are trying to figure out months and years, so 9 years, 1 month equals how many months? Okay, so you know there are 12 months in a year. So if you've got 9 years, so you would do 12 times 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 1 is 108. So 108 months plus 1 month gives you 109 total months. And then for the triangle here at the bottom, it already has this, which means it is a right angle, which means it is 90 degrees. So because of that, it is a right angle. All right, guys, check yours.